Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get personal insurance on the Revolut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Revolut app, then go to the menu, which is on the bottom right corner right here, as you can see. And here you will see a few different sections: the accounts section, where you can set up pockets and the junior mode, the essential section, wealth, rewards, credit, travel, and insurance. Obviously, we are looking for insurance and we are looking for personal insurance. And when you tap on it, it's going to open up the personal insurance tab. And to view how it works, you just have to tap on this screen, and here you can read a few details about it. Shop confidently with buyer protection. Get covered for your purchases, refunds, and cancelled tickets, including with Plus, Premium, and Metal. Shop with confidence. You are with Revolut. Subject to T&CS. Going abroad, get additional cover. Don't take the risk of not having protection abroad. We have got all your spending covered with Premium and Metal. So yeah, that's pretty much what the personal insurance covers. And obviously the personal insurance is included in the Metal program of the Revolut app, and obviously also the premium program, as you can see here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.